In this video, we will walk you through the installation of our Canopy 2.0, available for full-size vehicles and mid-size vehicles. Please note that this unit does come flat-packed and can easily be installed at home. Otherwise, feel free to visit a local dealer for installation. Start by opening the packages. In the boxes, you will have 2 side panels, 2 front and rear panels, and your aluminum honeycomb roof. Inside, you will also find a box containing everything that you need to complete this installation, including your rivet gun, your Sikaflex, your electrical tape, your hardware, and your tools. Start by placing the side passenger panel through the front panel. Then grab the provided drill bit and drill through the pre-drilled holes. You will need to repeat this process on all 4 corners of the canopy. Once you've drilled your holes, separate the panels and mask the outer portion of these side panels, including the passenger side and the driver's side. Now that we have the area masked, grab your caulk gun, the Sikaflex, and the screws provided for the sealing process. With one continuous motion, add 1 bead of Sikaflex in the inner portion of the channel and the outer portion of the channel, closest to the drilled holes that we did at the beginning of the video. Repeat the same process for both the rear panel and the front panel of the canopy. With the sealant in place, grab the provided rivet gun and rivets and rivet both sides into place. Once you riveted the sides, grab your caulk gun and add 1 solid bead on each side on the upper portion of the canopy. Remove the film that protects the roof and start by installing and riveting the light brackets. Grab the roof panel and position it into place. In the inner portion of the canopy, you'll find that the side panels have pre-drilled holes. Grab your drill bit and only drill through the first layer of the inner portion of the roof. Repeat the same process on both the passenger side and the driver's side, then grab your rivet gun and rivet the rivets into place. Before removing the masking tape, grab your pry tool and remove any excess Sikaflex. Now locate the seam above the canopy, where the roof and side panel meet. Just like the rest of the seams, we want to make sure that we mask the area for a clean result. Once you've sealed both seams, grab your squeegee and remove any excess Sikaflex that might be coming out. Now grab the trim provided and install it. Once you've installed the top trim, apply a piece of masking tape on each end of the trim to prevent it from lifting when drying. With the canopy done and out of the way, we can now apply the bulb seal. This will help prevent any type of water or dust intrusion from entering the bed of the truck. With the help of a few friends, install the canopy. With the canopy mounted, we can now run our electrical system. Start by installing the light. Use the provided wire loom to route all the lights to our electrical panel. Once you've routed your lights to the back of the switch panel, choose your desired switch to operate these lights. Once you've wired everything, go ahead and rivet the panel into place. With the electrical panel now in place, you can choose to use our Anderson plug to run it directly to the battery, a secondary battery, or a portable battery. With the electrical panel installed, we can now grab the hardware and brackets to secure the canopy to the factory bed rails of the Toyota Tacoma. Grab the bolts provided and slide it through the channels on the canopy. Now you can grab the upper portion of the mounting bracket, slide it through the bolts, and hand tighten the nylon nuts. Now slide the bracket towards the tailgate of the truck. Now grab the bottom portion of the bracket, slide it through the factory channel, and secure it with the long bolts provided. Once you have the 8 mounting brackets in place, install the fitment bracket that goes closest to the cab of the truck. Last but not least, install the 2 reinforcement brackets, and this completes the install. For more information on fitment and pricing on our Canopy 2.0, feel free to visit our website at www.rovro.com. Thanks for watching.